Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely disassembling your laptop without causing any damage. First, power off your Asus UX530U and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws located around the perimeter. Keep these screws organized, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to damage any clips. With the back cover removed, locate the charging connector. It is usually situated near the battery. Carefully disconnect the battery to prevent any electrical issues while you work. If you notice any debris or dust around the charging port, use a soft brush or compressed air to clean it out. Next, unscrew the charging connector from its position. Take note of the screws and their sizes, as you will need to replace them later. If you find that the connector is damaged, you can replace it with a new one. If you don't have the tools or parts, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, and we can assist you with the repair. Now let's address the GPU heatsink issue. Look for the heatsink that is attached to the GPU. If you notice that the anchor is loose, it can lead to overheating. Carefully unscrew the heatsink and inspect the thermal paste. If it appears dry or cracked, clean it off using isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. Apply a new layer of thermal paste to ensure proper heat transfer. Reattach the heatsink securely, making sure all screws are tightened evenly. This will help prevent any future overheating issues. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transportation. Once the heatsink is secured, reconnect the charging connector and the battery. Before closing the back cover, double-check all connections to ensure everything is in place. If you need a quote before repair, feel free to reach out to us for assistance. Finally, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert all screws, ensuring they are tightened but not over-tightened, as this can cause damage. Power on your Asus UX530U and check if the charging connector is functioning properly. Monitor the GPU temperature to ensure that the overheating issue has been resolved. If you encounter any further problems, remember that we are here to help with no calls, no travel, and a hassle-free experience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.